Hey guys, it's me, Desi Arnaz, professional real estate investor. I'm on my way back from an appointment, and at the appointment I was talking with a young fellow that's kind of interested in learning how to invest in notes. So I just thought I'd share with you what I shared with him. And that is this: investing in notes is still a real estate investment. And just like any other real estate investment, you have to kind of decide, are you going to be a cash flow investor or are you going to be investing for capital growth? Now, on bricks and mortar, cash flow investors are also known as landlords. What they're looking for is that monthly income consistently month after month. And on the other hand, the guys that buy old houses, fix them up, and then resell them for quick profits, those guys are looking for capital buildup. And so you have to make the same decision when you're investing in a note. And here's how it pretty much works for the people that are interested in cash flow. Notes are graded A through D. And typically speaking, the A paper notes pay the least return on investment, and the D paper notes pay the highest return on investment. Returns on investment in notes can range anywhere from like 3% to in excess of 12%, depending on your tolerance for risk, right? A paper loans are less risky than A minus paper, which are also less risky than B paper, and so forth. As the risk goes up, the return on your investment goes up as well because of the risk-reward ratio. So it really depends, as far as how much you're going to make, it depends on how much risk you're willing to take. He also asked me in this last meeting, how much does it take for him to get started? And while from time to time we'll find notes that are very, very small, mortgage notes that are below $20,000, the reality of it is you really should have somewhere around $30,000 to $35,000 in cash available if you'd like to invest in notes. To find out more about how these notes work, go to my YouTube channel. It's just youtube.com, and I think it's /Desi Arnaz, that's DESIARNAZ, or you can go to my website, which is www.acillegacygroup.com. All right, talk to you guys later.